What's up, guys? Today we're going out on Prairie Lake to fish a little bit. We're gonna start out with some crappies and some perch out in the main basin, and then we're gonna head out into a little small bay and catch some sunnies. So we'll see how it goes. Grab the auger here and start doing some holes. Still 12 to 13 inches of ice out on this lake. Freaking people are driving out. I don't know about that. Alright, what we're using today is a little VMC tungsten jig, 1/16 ounce with a couple waxies on the end of it, and we'll drop her down and see what we get here. The main thing here is probably going to be crappies and perch. You never know, you might get a roaming northern or walleye, but more than likely, see how this goes. Alright, so we're on this app here called Navionics, and it's showing us a picture of this lake. We're in about 17 feet right here, and I didn't mark a thing. So I think we're gonna try over here in some structure. Out here in maybe 16 to 18 where there's this submerged hump. I think we're gonna go hit that up and see what happens here. Alright, we got one working here. It's that new submerged hump spot. We got him working. He's coming up. He's coming up. He's coming up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's just leave it still for him. Oh, looks like we got another one coming up off the bottom there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's about 18 feet and we got him about a foot off the bottom. Oh, he's got a friend there. Come on, come on. Come on, get it. Can't tell if he likes the jig or if he's just liking it when he sits still. It's hard to tell. Let's see. Jesus. What the heck happened there? Oh, my thing updated on me here. Out here this time of day, more than likely they're gonna be perch. But you never know. Could be a surprise here. Jesus, they are finicky out here. Alright, well, update. We're inside the house because it's friggin' cold. And we got the first fish of the day. Look at that freaking monster. Sorry about the blurry lens, but you know, it's a big change from going outside to inside here in 3 degrees. We're about 6.9 feet, 7. We have fish lining the bottom, so we'll see what we do here today. I got holes drilled out around here, so we'll hit those up in a little bit here too, just to see what's going on. Alright, we got a fish down here. We got a couple. See what happens here. They seem to be small and not very interested. It seems to be the theme today. I don't know, maybe I go down to 1/32 ounce. That'll do something. Well, I'll let you know here. Well, boys, we dropped down out here. And look what we pulled up. A little bass. I mean, not so bad, but not what we're looking for either. At least we finally got a little action. My God. Alright, but here's a little tip for you. I know most people say this, but so when you're pan fishing, you want your lure to hang down just horizontal, just like that. If it's hanging down like this, they won't bite it. Horizontal, you'll increase your fish by at least double. No joke. Alright, let's plop her back down there and see what else we can get. Alright, boys, we're hooked up. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that beauty. It's first keeper of the day finally. We switched to this 1/64 ounce VMC instead of the 1/16, and it's actually making a big difference here. That's already 2 fish that we've caught on it compared to the last 45 minutes where we haven't caught dibby crap. Well, that's a good start to the day. See if we can't get anything else. Ooh, we got a bite here. Oh yeah, we got him. Ooh, feels like a nice one here too. Ooh, look at that beaut. I don't have the camera turned on, but we got another one over here. It's 3 now. Nice keepers, pumpkin seeds. Toss her back down there and see what else we can get. Alright, we got one marking here. Ooh, nice one marking actually. It's been a slow day. Got him. Ooh, small one. Let him go back and get bigger. Oh. It's getting a little warmer. Before it was freaking cold as crap. Alright, we get marking another one up here. We want him, not any. Oh yeah. We got him. Got him stuck in the damn cord. Alright, perfect. There you go. Another beaut. Perfect keeper. We're keeping fish today. Maybe I'll have a fish fry later. Get back down there. Had that damn camera turned off. Got 2 more keepers. Same hole. Drop it back down. It seems to be the hot hole. Not marking anything, but I'm sure. Oh yeah, see? Already. Oh yeah, he's coming up quick. Got him. Oh, missed him. God dang. Still down there though. See if we can't get him. It's my first YouTube video, so we'll see how she turns out. We're gonna fish all the way into the night, so hopefully we can get some nicer crappies and perch later. Maybe in a walleye. That would be nice. I'll bring you guys along the whole way. Oh, they left. Oh, that gives me a chance to talk about where we're at here. We're in this bay here, and it's got weeds in it. It's a spawning bay for the spring. Usually midwinter they start to move out of here, so we'll see how long they're in here for. But crappies have moved out. They're out in the deeper flats. That's where we're gonna go tonight to catch them. This is more of a panfish bay, sunfish. We're on the edge of the bay. As you can see over there, we got my fish house over there, and all that's over there now is little ones. Oh, missed them again. God damn. There's little ones, and it's because they're starting to push out of here into their deep winter patterns. But we're getting them right before they head out, and we got them. Not a keeper, but still not a bad fish. Let him go. A little waxy here. Make sure that lure's horizontal, put it back down, and we got two fish waiting for us. Let's see. Come on. The reel's starting to freeze up out here. It's that cold. We'll catch him and then we'll go inside. He's nipping at it. Nip. Got one from coming up from the behind them. That's usually where they like to mess around. Alright, we got two fish down here. Didn't have the goddamn GoPro on, but caught that one. See if we can't get another one here. Yep. Got him. Ooh, that's one. Oh, that's a little cold. There, we got him. Another keeper. I think that's 8 now we got. Not a bad little morning so far. It's a work in progress, let's say that. They're all nice though. We haven't kept any small ones. Drop back down there, see if we can get another. Oh yeah, we already got another one right here. We actually got 2 down here. He's gonna smoke it. We'll chip around the old hands out here. God damn. him come and get it. Come on. Come on. Come on, bastard. Oh my God, is it cold out here? Come on. One more before I go in for lunch. Gotta get the old Subway. There you go. Got him. Another keeper. Beaut. Look at that. Not a bad one. 3 in this hole too. Seems like we're catching 3 at a time. Alright, we're dropping down. Got one down there. 2 down there actually. See what happens here. Come on, come on. Come on. Holy shit. Are you seeing this? I don't even know what you'd call that. That's freaking ridiculous. Got a buddy coming with the portable. Go move around the lake so we can see what else we can get on. With 3 guys out here today, we can get 60, so we got a ways to go. Let me tell you that. Missed them. God, that snow is freaking miserable. You take my bait? Yep.
Get it through the ice first.
Oh yeah, we got her.
Nice
oh,
pike.
nice pike. Oh.
Yeah, a little fucking thing.
Yeah. Not huge.
Oh,
not huge.
shit.
I'll reach down there and get him. Hold on. Hold on. Don't fucking tug him.
I'm not.
We
just wanted to come up tail first there for a second. Almost up.
Got her.
Fucking right, you did.
Look at that puppy.
Cleaner? Yep, that's my fish.
I mean, if you want to keep them.
You want to clean those? Fuck.
I don't know how to get the Y bones out.
How long is it? Measure it first.
I don't know. Do we have a tape measure?
I got a. What do we got? Fucking right, bud.
Oh yeah, Trev.
Well, yeah, I'll have to watch
beauty.
the swearing for you. Oh yeah, little bastard.
Beauty.
Oh no.
Well, today did not go as well as we wanted it to, but that's all right. We didn't catch any crappies, any perch out on the main basin, but we came back into 6 feet of water and caught some sunfish. We ended up with like 11. I think maybe next time when we go out, we might do a little catch, clean, cook. We'll see. Who knows what we're gonna be doing. But it was my first YouTube video, so hopefully you guys liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.